Welcome to another Tagalog language lesson. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, author of 24 books, and Speak Tagalog, a Basic Primer is my first book among my 24 books. And another one is Christ Like Mom and Dad. This is an English Tagalog version. Christ Like Mom and Dad. And in Tagalog, it's Maka Diyos Cristo na Tatay at Nanay. Written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, PSCD, MSCD. How are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy and safe. And I still have a cold, so you will notice a mist from my humidifier over here. And I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy and safe. And all my 24 books, yes, 24, are available worldwide at Amazon. And Speak Tagalog, a Basic Primer, is published by outskirtspress.com. And you will see my books there as well. And Christ Like Mom and Dad, Maka Diyos Cristo na Tatay at Nanay, is also published by Ex Libris in all bookstores worldwide and Amazon, and at my website, juanitagutierrez.com, juanitagutierrezpscdmscd.com. In Tagalog, kumusta po kayo? Ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez. May akda at sumulat ng 24 na aklat. Kauna-unahan po ay Speak Tagalog dahil sa pagmamahal ko sa ating wika, at ito po ay English Tagalog. Pamanhin po, Christ Like Mom and Dad, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, Maka Diyos Cristo na Tatay at Nanay. I would like to give honor, love, light, and gratitude to our source creator within, and to my beloved parents, brothers and sisters and their own families, and to all of you, my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart, so you could be updated in all my videos and we could grow together. And so welcome once again. This ABC Miss Gutierrez is a special teacher, is a gift from my students here in New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years. And she is our valedictorian, and she is a Filipino American here in New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years. Journalism teacher and school paper advisor, outstanding teacher, if I could mention, if you would please. Humility aside, youngest university professor, and teacher trainer here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am. And BSCD and MSCD, for those who are asking, I was looking for my own YouTube channel, but there's so many Juanita Gutierrez. And so I said, I'm going to be easy for me to get my own my YouTube channel, excuse me please, I added my 2 university degrees. That's BSCD, Bachelor of Science in Education. I graduated at the University of the East in Manila, Philippines, together with all of my brothers and sisters from elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation. MSCD, Master of Science in Education. I graduated at Fordham University here in Manhattan, New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years, and more in my 24 books. My 24th book is coming soon to be released in all bookstores. It is entitled Learn English Easily Step by Step for Non-Native Speakers, created by an experienced English professor, and that's me, humility aside. And welcome once again to our Tagalog learning lesson. By this time, you should know the pronunciation or bigkas of Tagalog. First syllable ta, second syllable ka, third syllable log. The accent is in the second syllable Tagalog. Tagalog. Today we are going to study reiteration. Excuse me, please. Reiteration means pag-uulit. First syllable pag, second syllable u, third syllable u, fourth syllable lit. Pag-uulit. So first pag, second u, and the third u, that's where the accent is. So you say pag-uulit. Pag-uulit. So that's reiteration. And there are words here that you always repeat in Tagalog. Gabi, gabi. First syllable ga, second syllable bi, and repeated gabi. So the second syllable has the accent gabi. So you pronounce it or because gabi. And it is repeated gabi, gabi. That means every night. Every night. Another example of reiteration or pag-uulit is halo-halo. And this is also a Philippine food, Philippine cold drinks as well that you see in my book Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. The book recipe. So halo, halo, halo. First syllable ha, second syllable lo. The accent is on the first syllable halo, halo, and that's repeated halo, halo, halo. That means combinations, mixtures. And so the halo-halo food is a combination or mixtures of fruits as well. Another Tagalog reiterations of pag-uulit is sira. Sira. First syllable si, second syllable ra. The second syllable has the accent, and so you say sira. Sira. That means torn down. Another Tagalog, reiteration or pag-uulit is tatlo, tatlo. First syllable tat, second syllable lo. Tatlo. The second syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this or because tatlo, tatlo. And that means components of 3, the number 3. Another Tagalog reiteration or pag-uulit is gaya. Gaya. First syllable ga, second syllable ya. Gaya. The second syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this or because gaya and repeated gaya. That means duplicate or copy. Let's review. Tagalog reiteration pag-uulit. First syllable pag, second syllable u, third syllable u, fourth syllable lit. The accent or the because or pronunciation is in the third syllable pag-uulit. Pag-uulit. So that's reiteration. In Tagalog, first syllable ta, second syllable ga, third syllable log. The accent is in the second syllable, so you pronounce this or because Tagalog. Tagalog. And there are examples of reiteration or pag-uulit. Pag-uulit. Gabi, gabi. First syllable ka, second syllable bi. The second syllable has the accent gabi and is reiterated or repeated, pag-uulit in Tagalog, pag-uulit. So, gabi means every night. Another example is halo. That means combinations, mixtures. First syllable ha, second syllable lo. Halo. First syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this because halo. And the Philippine foods is called halo. That's one of my beloved mom's cookbook recipes in Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes, and halo is a combination or mixtures of fruits. Another example of reiteration or pag-uulit is sira. First syllable si, second syllable ra. The second syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this sira. That means to, torn down. Another example of reiteration or pag-uulit is gaya. That means duplicate or copy. First syllable ga, second syllable ya. The second syllable has the accent. Gaya. The first syllable has the accent. Gaya. That means duplicate or copy. I hope you learned something today. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. This is Miss Gutierrez, the author of Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, and Christ-like Mom and Dad, English Tagalog version, Maka-Diyos Cristo na Tatay at Nanay, and all my 24 books written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. And all my 24 books you'll find worldwide at outskirtspress.com, my Speak Tagalog book, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. At Amazon as well, and Ex Libris, Christ-like Mom and Dad, Maka-Diyos Cristo na Tatay at Nanay, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, and all bookstores worldwide, and at my website. I encourage you to visit at juanitagutierrez.com and juanitagutierrezbscdmscd.com. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ-like Mom and Dad is my title of my book, and Blessings of Christ, Love and Light to us all. The word Christ means, according to Sananda, otherwise known as Jesus, is unconditional love by the source creator. So blessings of Christ, love and light to us all. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. In Tagalog, marami pong salamat. Pagkita uli po tayo. Mahal ko po kayong lahat dahil ang Diyos ay pag-ibig. Yan po ang sinasabi sa amin na aming mga magulang palagi. Magmahalan kayo dahil iisa ang inyong pananggalingan. Iisa ang ating Diyos. In English, love one another because we came from one source, one God. Blessings of love and light to us all. This is Miss Gutierrez. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Enjoy your day as always.